Welcome to your ultimate guide to crafting a winning marketing plan. Let's break it down into 15 simple steps that can take your business to the next level. Step 1: Executive Summary. First, start with the executive summary, a snapshot of your business goals and how you'll achieve them. Step 2: Business Information. Step 2 is your business information. Make sure to include who you are, what you offer, and why it matters. Step 3: Key Marketing Goals. Next, identify your key marketing goals. Whether it's more sales, brand awareness, or customer engagement, clarity is key. Step 4: Competitor Analysis. Now, let's talk about the competition. Conduct a competitor analysis to see what they're doing and how you can do it better. Step 5: SWOT Analysis. Then, perform a SWOT analysis to identify your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Step 6: Target Market Overview. Understand your audience with a detailed target market overview. Knowing who you're talking to makes all the difference. The question is, what steps do they take from discovering your brand to making the purchase? Quote: the question is, define your unique selling proposition. What makes you stand out in a crowded market? Quote: Step 9: Branding. Build a strong brand. This is what customers will remember you by. Step 10: Marketing Channels. Choose the right marketing channels. Social media, email, SEO. Figure out where your audience spends time. Step 11: Measurements and KPIs. Set clear measurements and KPIs to track your progress and make data-driven decisions. Step 12: Marketing Strategy and Tactics. Craft your marketing strategy and tactics. This is where you outline how you'll reach your audience and hit those goals. Step 13: Marketing Budget. Set a marketing budget. Know how much you're willing to invest in each tactic. Step 14: Marketing Team. Lastly, assemble your marketing team. Whether it's in-house or outsourced, you need the right people for the job. Conclusion. Wrap it all up with a conclusion that summarizes your plan and how you'll move forward.